Right, this one's for Huggy59. Just going to walk through installing Jamroom on my EHCP server to see if there's anything that I do that you have missed. Then we can go from there, figure out what's going on with yours. First things first, get Jamroom. There it is. Save it again. Right. See, we've got it. Downloads. Jamroom. Delete that. Extract it. Right. So there's Jamroom there. Then on my local server. Before we do that, let's get set up the domain name for it. To my FTP user, domain name, domains, new site. Okay. It's a horrible password. Right, so now we should have. There it is there. Okay. So over to the FTP program using Conqueror here. Find new site. Core, grab. Oh. Make sure we've got the HT access there. That's really important. Directory's not. Copy here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's got everything up there. Then refresh that, refresh that, refresh that. Not working. Why? Okay. Got up to this point here. Re-uploaded everything. Didn't want to work the first time for whatever reason. I'm not sure why. I think I might have even deleted it by mistake. But there we go. We're up to the installer screen now. It's telling me these directories are not writable. So into the data, grab all of those properties. Content. See if that's enough. Go away. Okay. Okay, then onto that one. Login. Create an account. Admin. Okay, so it's telling me a few things are a problem. FF binary is not executable. And the diff binary is not executable, so I've got to go change the permissions on those. I think ffmpeg binary is not executable. That's in up here, modules, core, contrib. Where is it? Core tools diff. Just next to the tools. Tools, FFmpeg, properties, permissions, is executable, okay, about now, that fixes that one, and tools, diff, properties, permissions is executable, okay, that fixes that one, modules directory is not writable, up, up, up. Let's get rid of two of them. Marketplace system ID. Enter your email stuff from over on, you get it from jamroom.net. Under here, your licenses. That seems to be all going. So see if you've got up to that point or not. Then we can pick up why your server's not working from there.